Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be looking at opening up the hips, ready to move, whether we're squatting, running, jumping, whatever we're trying to do, okay? So we're going to go through a couple of things, alright? We're going to work on the glutes a little bit, we're going to work on the TFL, and then we're going to look at some exercises just to kind of get those hips opening, get them moving, get them gliding really, really nice. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our peanut, or our lacrosse ball, or our foam roller, whatever bit of kit you've got, and we're going to roll our glutes, okay? So down to the floor. Alright, so same as normal. We're going to work on our self-myofascial release, and we're going to look for those hot spots, rolling onto one glute, looking for any hot areas that are really painful, and if you find them, we're going to then apply some pressure. We're going to stop on it for at least 30 seconds, try and make a change, okay? And just work around in that glute, see if we can find any hot areas. Okay, nice and controlled, nice deep breaths. Alright, once we've done that, we're then going to move on to what's called the pigeon stretch, okay? So we're going to start in our press up position. We're going to bring one leg through, bring our shin parallel to us, or adjacent to us, and all we're going to do is try and sink our hips down to the ground. Deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Just trying to sink our hips to the floor. Okay? Once we then stretch glutes, we need to then activate them a little bit. So this is where we're going to do some glute activation. Alright? So keep it nice and simple. All we're going to do, lying down on the ground, we're going to do our right glute, we're going to take our left leg into right angles, and then all we're going to do is side raises. Okay? Making sure our hips are staying forward, don't rock back, keep the hips forwards, making sure we're using this glute and not the TFL. Okay? In this position. 12 to 15 reps. Alright, so the next thing we're going to hit the TFL, the tension fascial artery, okay? So this is one here, this is means, gives us internal rotation, alright? Sometimes we don't want that, and if it's overactive, it's going to put us in a poor position when we're squatting, okay? So we're going to take our foam roller or ball or whatever we've got, and we're going to roll this bit of muscle here. So the best way to get it, so we have this bony bit on the front of our hip, we go an inch below it, then an inch outside. Okay, it's the same thing again. Take your tool, 30 seconds or so on that area, looking for those hot spots. Again, if you find one, hold it on the area. Alright. Okay, so let's move on. So now we've kind of opened up those muscles a little bit, we've got our hips moving. Let's get that joint moving properly, let's get it warmed up, let's get it moving, okay? So this is where we're going to go. So we're going to do some half Spider-Man rotations to start with, okay? So again, we're going to go back to our press-up position. Nice strong press-up position. We're going to do our right leg. We'll take our right leg outside our right hand, push that knee against the elbow, then we're going to rotate away and rotate towards, okay? Rotate away, nice and balanced, and rotate towards, okay? We're trying to keep this back leg nice and straight, trying to keep our back nice and straight. Okay, so we shouldn't be bending with the knee or rounding with the back. Everything should be in a nice straight line. Okay? Then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to take our right hand and put it on our right foot, drop our knees to the ground, and all we're going to do is sink our hips down to the ground and push that knee out. And then work in that position. Try and see if there's any areas of restriction. Then we're going to bring our left hand to our foot and take our chest to our knee, push the knee away, and work in that position. And then we're going to walk our hands away from our knee, push our knee out, and work in that position. Okay? Whole time looking for any areas of tension. Just moving those hips, getting them gliding nicely. Alright, and then one last thing, okay? So again, we're going to take our band, attach it to something that's nice and heavy and not going to move. We're going to put our leg inside the band, get some tension on it from the side, in our 4-point position, and what we're going to do is rotate our leg in and out. So we've got internal and external rotation. Just working in that position. And again, 12 to 15 reps of that. Okay guys, see you again next time.